Ladies and gentlemen, in my video guide I will give you instructions on getting rid of pretty scary pop-ups that come from the website Websecurity-addon.xyz. According to my personal observation, these pop-ups attack Germany primarily. Of course, other countries may be attacked as well. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into downloading and installing some browser extension into your Google Chrome. So whenever people mistakenly download and install this extension called Web Security extension, their browser may be hijacked at least partially. This extension can read and change all your data on the websites you visit, and the developers claim that it will render more security to your searches, but a lot of browser extensions do not really provide any security at all. Instead, some of them may be involved in spying over the user's browsing activities. Sometimes they may redirect the user's search queries through random pages, and I'm not saying that this particular extension is really bad, but often these pop-ups that promote it appear as a result of certain adware. So I recommend you to check your available applications, and if you locate some items that are suspicious, remove them immediately. Also, go to your browser menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions, and then delete any suspicious extensions that you see here. You may deactivate and remove them completely. So after this is successfully accomplished, I also recommend that you scan your Mac computer additionally with a combo cleaner, the antivirus for Mac that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. After the application is successfully downloaded, let it update the antivirus database, and then click on Start Combo Scan and begin the thorough research of your Mac with this application. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Of course, in your case, it will be in the trial mode. But you may go to the antivirus section. The program will show you the total number of threads that were found during the scanning. Click on Review Results. So this is the list of threads, and not just the list, but rather their location. You may go to each specific thread, one thread at a time, until you find this icon that says Show in Finder. So this will show you its exact location in Finder. Here it is. You may right-click on it and move this thread to the trash. Basically, you may do the same thing with all other threads, or you may consider purchasing the premium version of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to get your Mac fully protected.